Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinwe's Kitchen. How are you all doing? Today I am making stew and I am about to steam the tomatoes and I used more of pepper. There's yellow pepper, there's Scotch bonnet, there's shombo, and there's also tatashe, and then you have the tomatoes, and in it I also have ginger and onions as well. So I'm just going to cover it up and allow it to steam. It's steaming right now. I left it to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just going to blend with the water that got expelled from the tomatoes. So I'm ready to prepare the stew, and that's my pot on fire. I went ahead to add my vegetable oil, the quantity that I know will be okay for the stew, and then I'm just going to allow it to heat up a little and then I'll proceed with the rest of the ingredients. So I'm just going to be adding the ginger that I grated and also the onions. So I'm going to be allowing it to fry for some time to expel their flavor. So I got new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing and you're welcome to the family. It's so good to have you here. And to my friends that have always been here supporting me, thank you so much. Thank you. I do not take it for granted at all. Okay, so it's time now for me to add the tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, I had to reduce the heat to allow it slow cook and allow it some time to dry up a little. I covered it up. Okay, so it has been cooking now. As you can see, it has dried up. So I went ahead to add boiled eggs, grilled fish, and chunks of cow head. I always love to have eggs in my stew, so I left it to simmer for some time before adding seasoning cubes, curry, thyme, kitchen glory. At this point, if you're still watching and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Thank you so much. I had to stir for the ingredients to mix up properly. Next, I added dry pepper and a little salt as well. I also like to have a little vegetable in my stew, so I added curry leaves and also diced carrots. I allowed it to cook just for a little while and it was ready to serve. Okay, so this is me serving it and it looks so yummy. And I hope you really did enjoy watching. So don't forget to leave me your comments, like, share, and subscribe. This looks so good. I also went ahead to serve it with white rice and fried plantain that I love so much. Now just look at this goodness, mouth-watering and delicious looking. So thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe and I love you all greatly. Bye.